What if I tell you this makeup look only takes 5 minutes to do and is literally the most wearable and easiest makeup look that you will do? I don't like to do much on a daily basis, and there is a reason why. Because I have to go to office, and I don't want to look a lot in the office, but I do want to look presentable, which is what I do like literally every single day. So yeah, like this is gonna be like the most shortest video on my channel. So yeah, keep watching. I hope you will take away something from this video, because this is literally that simple and that easy. So yeah, keep watching. Okay, so for the first step, I'm gonna keep my hair back. But everything is packed, and for the first step I'm going to be using the primer. Whenever I use this primer, I don't feel the need of using anything like any other primer, because this is like that good. So I'm going to take very less. I took a lot of amount. This is like a lot of amount. You don't need this much. Also for my lips, I have used Vaseline. This is my new favorite. This is the Masaba skin tint, which she like launched in a very smaller size. And I know this product can be really expensive, which it is, but it is so good. It just is like the best, like almost like a foundation, but not as heavy as a foundation. Super lightweight, just like you need this much. Can you even see that? 4 dots on my face. And what I do after applying this is that I blend first with my finger. So I will just dot it all over. I'm gonna blend it with this buffing brush. So yeah. And the same thing I'm gonna also cover my eyes with, because I don't want to use concealer. So yeah, then the only next step that I do is to use some blush, because this is also a very everyday makeup look. I'm not gonna go like a lot in detail with multiple steps. This is only gonna have like the most simple steps. So I've shown this multiple times on my channel, and yeah, this is literally the only thing that I use. I don't use powders now that often. I just like completely like stopped it. It doesn't suit me anymore the way it used to. So no powder. Now I'm gonna do my brows, just very light-handed. With a nice brown lipstick. I'm gonna use a mascara. This is my Maybelline Sky High mascara. Super simply, just I'm gonna like curl my lashes up. And yeah, that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and if you did, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also to let me know what more do you want to watch and what more should I make. So yeah, that is it. Bye guys, see you next time.